Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get new Shopify recovery codes. So once you are logged in into your Shopify admin panel, you would like to go and click on your profile icon at the top right. Then make sure to go and click on your accounts, not on your stores. This will open a new tab for you right here. Of course, you will be able to get your new recovery codes if you can log into your Shopify account. If you're completely locked out and you cannot log in, you must contact Shopify support because that's your only way from there. So from here, we can go on this left panel and click on security. Once we do so, here if we scroll down a little bit, we'll find the 2FA or two-factor authentication. Normally, right here, when I enable the 2FA, they give me some codes. And if I lost those codes and I want new ones, I will be able to generate new ones, but normally you don't have to do it because you'll be able to view the old ones. So if you scroll down, you'll find here the recovery codes, and we can go and click on view codes, as you can see. This will present me the new codes or the old codes, but if I want to generate a new code, as you can see, I can go and click on this option, generate codes. If I do so, new codes will appear. And that's what I can do every single time I want to generate new code. Of course, I can also generate a temporary login code if you want to log in on another device if you want to. And yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.